everybody. So I just wanted to share some useful information with you that might help you to navigate our page a little bit more efficiently. If you're hopping on the LifeBoost Coffee Experience page and you solely want to search our recipes, I know that we discussed how the guides are set up. So if you go to the guides tab and you click that, you can scroll through and I've categorized the recipes. But another way that you can search different things on the page is to go to the little magnifying glass. There's an actual little magnifying glass icon. It's towards the upper right-hand corner of the home screen on the LifeBoost Coffee Experience page, and you can search whatever it is that you're looking for. I do hashtag every LifeBoost recipe that I post, so you could put into there, LifeBoost recipes, and it'll pull all of those up. Or if you would like to pull up Fun Fact Fridays or our newest Trivia Tuesdays or anything like that, you can go in there and search under that magnifying glass. You can also search for, dark roast or brewing method, whatever it is that you're trying to find. That's a great tool to use so that you can find previous posts and previous discussions on that topic. As always, we love sharing this information with you. I am really enjoying sharing these recipes and tips with you as well. If you ever have any questions or need any kind of assistance at all in navigating the page or just about LifeBoost in general, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.